Happy New Year, and with a brand new year, you've got a brand new decade. And with that brand new decade, well, there's a brand new set of opportunities. I think I said brand new. So to close out 2019, I want to mention some major highlights. We had amazing videos, and one particular thing was the induction at NAHREP. NAHREP stands for the National Association of Hispanic Real Estate Professionals. So this year in NAHREP, we closed out 2019 with our induction. It occurred at the gala, and I was so honored that this year I was chosen to be their vice president. That means I'm the vice president for the Queens chapter of NAHREP. Being part of an organization like this is a big deal. You're taking on the responsibility of being the role model within your industry and helping those around you in your community. We're not just crossing language barriers, we're crossing financial barriers. And what hits home with me is that my mom and dad came. My brother was along to witness and see their reactions because I got the chance to tell their story.
My mom was an amazing employee for Dannon until the company moved. So she became super mom, and I grew up in a Bushwick apartment. The landlord pushed the wrong button on the wrong lady. My mother set out on a mission and placed an offer on a house a few blocks away. The agent, the broker, the seller, the attorney were in disbelief for reasons that would violate the Fair Housing Act of 1968. With this challenge, my parents showed me that taxes are what we pay, great credit and money is what my parents had, sweat was how they made it, and an exploding desire for stability and becoming a larger contributor to this country's fabric was what they wanted through home ownership.
Not only is 2020 going to be the beginning of a new decade, but it's also their 20th anniversary. This is going to be an exciting time, especially for the Queens chapter. And I look forward to seeing you out there in 2020. Between now and then, I guess I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.